everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about EMP protection. First off, yes, I've done several live streams on this because to me, this is a topic that needs to be put to rest constantly. It's like the living dead. They keep on coming back alive after you because a lot of channels out there use what we call fear porn to get everybody hyped up about this when it's not that big of a hype. You know, the earth gets hit by CMEs, weekly, sometimes daily. And when you figure that in, every time the CME hits the earth, it creates an electromagnetic pulse. And some of you going, well, we haven't lost everything yet. Yeah, that's because most electromagnetic pulses you don't even notice because they're so small. And everyone talks about the Carrington event back in 1858 or 59. Well, that's 150 years ago, and they're still freaking out about it. So, a big electromagnetic pulse. Yes, they do happen. They have happened. They will happen. But they are far and few between. So a couple weeks ago, I had a live stream on it, covered a lot of information on it. If you want to get more information on it and you didn't see that live stream, it's number 80, video number 80 on my some of my videos. You can just go back and look at it. It's 2 weeks ago. And one of the things I do want to point out here for everyone, there are some things you can do. You can build Faraday boxes, Faraday cages to protect some electrical equipment. You can buy these Faraday bags, which are really cool. There are some scam people out there saying, oh, connect this device up to your house electrical system and it'll protect the entire system. No. And the same thing for your car. I have some friends that are electrical engineers at Lawrence Livermore Lab and the Sandia Lab. And they have told me, unequivocally, these devices cannot work. Physics says they cannot work. Yet they are, selling stuff and claiming they are on certain documents from the federal government. Yeah, they are on a couple of these documents, but they're on the addendum that says not recommended. So anyways, you do what you can. It's EMP is not a major thing. It's not going to drive us into the Stone Age if we get a major one again. Heck, the Carrington event didn't drive us into the Stone Age, did it? Most people didn't even notice it. So just, keep going on. EMPs are not the end-all major event. I know that's going to may take a few people off, but hey, it's not the end-all major event. All righty? So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Add to your preps the important stuff: water, food, medications, skills, because these will help you to survive. And why do you want to survive? Well, this is why.